If you have company staying over this Thanksgiving, you should really make these cinnamon roll pumpkins. They look impressive, but they're so easy to make. Take 1 can of ground cinnamon rolls and spread them out on a baking sheet with some parchment paper or foil. And then take some kitchen twine. It'll take about 2 lengths of the baking sheet per pumpkin. Tie each cinnamon roll up into quarters and then in quarters again. Just follow this kind of close up just so you kind of get an idea. But yeah, you're doing it into quarters and then like another set of quarters. And just make sure that you're kind of making, that cinnamon roll tail at the end, just make sure that that's tucked in with the string. And then you just need to cut off the excess with a pair of scissors. Once that's done, just kind of, I like to flip them over, but just make sure the prettiest side is up, I guess. And then you're going to pop it into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Cut the string off. And I like using these little honey twisty pretzels because they're a little thicker. Cut them and just kind of stick them in the center of each cinnamon roll. And then once they're cooled, you're going to put them in a bowl and drizzle that icing all over them. You pop it in the microwave for like 10 seconds if you need it to be a little bit more drizzly. And that's it. These are so pretty. I really think that